Good morning, students. I welcome you all to the Lincoln School online class. I hope you all doing well. I'm your English language teacher, Ms. Ifra Ahmed. I hope you all enjoyed and understand my previous lecture. Okay, students, as you know that in the previous lecture we had completed the past tense. So today we are going to start the future tense. So first of all, we will do the first type of future tense, that is future indefinite tense or future simple tense. So what is future indefinite tense? It is the future indefinite tense expresses an action that will happen in the future. So future indefinite tense refers to those actions which will happen in the future. Listen to me carefully. I am going to explain the future indefinite tense in Urdu. फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट टेंस अगर उर्दू के किसी जुमले के आखिर में गा, गी या गे आता हो तो उसे हम फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट टेंस कहते हैं. अफर्मेटिव जुमलों में फर्स्ट पर्सन यानी आई और वी के बाद शैल और बाकी तमाम सब्जेक्ट के साथ विल आता था, और नेगेटिव सेंटेंस यानी कि इनकारिया जुमलों में शैल या विल के साथ नॉट लगता है. और इंटेरोगेटिव इट मीन्स सवालिया जुमले में शैल या विल जुमले के शुरू में लगाए जाते हैं, यानी कि सेंटेंस के स्टार्ट में पुट किए जाते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई शैल विजिट योर प्लेस, ही विल राइट अ लेटर, यू विल मेक इट. Okay, so let's see the structure of future indefinite tense. So we have to write first of all the subject, then we will add will or shall, which will use with the particular subject, then first form of verb, and then we will write the object. For example, we shall go to Lahore, you will respect your elders, I will not bother you, he will not work for us, will the snow melt soon. These are the examples of future indefinite tense. So generally shall is mostly used with the first person of pronoun, for example I or we. Will is used with second and third person, for example you, they, he, she, it, or any name. But shall and will can be used reversely, as you may see in this example that you shall not move. This is order. When we have to put stress on the action, then we will use shall with the other subjects and with the second person and third person, and when we have to put stress on the I or we, then we will use will with them. As you may see here, we have used shall with second person, that is you, and we use will with first person, that is I. That you shall not move, and I will stand by you, that is a promise, and they shall be rewarded, that is a assurance. But sometimes future action is expressed in the present continuous tense also. For example, she is getting engaged soon, certain to marry. It means that she will going to marry in the future, so she is getting engaged soon. This also represent future tense and present continuous tense. Future action or future tense is also expressed in the present indefinite tense also. Future action also expressed in present continuous and present indefinite tense also, as you can see in the next examples, that the PM leaves for Mumbai next Monday. Next example, she arrives from London next month. So this action is related to the future, but this is the sentence structure represent present indefinite tense. Okay students, I am going to repeat the future indefinite tense again. Now listen to me carefully. Future indefinite tense expresses an action that will happen in the future, and its structure is we will use with the subject shall or will. Shall will be used with the first person only, that is I and we, and will be used with the third person and second person, that is you, they, you, they, he, she, it, and any name. But shall or will can also be used reversely. For example, in Urdu, अगर जुमले में कोई प्रॉमिस करना हो, किसी को ऑर्डर देना हो या फिर विश करनी हो, तो उसके लिए हम सब्जेक्ट के बाद शैल की बजाय विल लगा सकते हैं और विल की जगह शैल यूज़ कर सकते हैं. It means we can also exchange shall or will with the first person, third person, or second person also. So that's enough for today. Your home task is that you have to practice future indefinite tense at your home. And if you have any question, if you want to ask anything regarding lecture, you may ask on WhatsApp number. Take a good care of yourself. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.